Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Attwood SP15900 Tilt-End Slide Seat Mount Set, a game-changer for enhancing your boating experience. This versatile sliding seat mount is designed to boost your boat's comfort, versatility, and usability, making it an ideal choice for mounting seats in John boats. Featuring a bench-style seat plate on 15-inch rails, this innovative product allows you to remain seated while easily sliding to access controls, equipment, and more. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, the tilt-end slide seat mount set promises strong and durable construction that withstands the rigors of marine environments. Its secure installation ensures dependable performance, giving you peace of mind on the water. Whether you're navigating through calm waters or tackling rough waves, this seat mount set enhances your boating adventures by providing the flexibility and convenience you need. So, if you're looking to upgrade your boat's seating arrangement, the Attwood SP15900 might just be the perfect solution for you. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.